Alright. By the way, this right here, the Dcv, whatever this vacuum is, for what I bought it for, it worked great. Now, here is the dewalt 550 PSI power cleaner. Now, I was really debating getting the XR, like, maybe not XR model, but the flex volt model or whatever, because it's like 900 PSI or something like that. But I don't have any flex volt batteries, and I wasn't trying to spend that much money. So, you know. But let's take a look at what we got, because I'm about to use this right now. It's actually pretty nice out today. Me and my terrible camera angles. I'm gonna get a actual like camera to record with eventually. Here soon when I stop buying tools and wasting money on things that, you know, I don't really need, but I'm kind of just getting just because it's just fun. Gotta clean my car. It's been so long since I cleaned my car. What is holding it? I struggle taking these boxes apart. I'm not good at this, so still nothing. That's what happens when you don't put two hands. Oh, there we go. Alright, got some, I don't know what the hell this is, but it's probably pretty important. Alright, so here's the manual. Take a look at it. Got a couple things, the soap nozzle, a couple different nozzles. This your feed could like come like pull out of a bucket, like it's pretty cool. See right there, you do that. Yeah, I mean, seems pretty neat. Seems pretty neat. Somebody definitely used this and returned it, like no doubt. It just looks dirty. Hopefully they didn't break it. They sold me a used one. So this is it right here. Battery goes in this. How the heck do you open this? I have no idea how you open this. Oh, there we go. Gotta kind of pull up on it. So battery goes in there, kind of protective. Yeah, you just kind of like pull up on it. I think. I don't fucking know. Yeah, you just like pull up on it. It comes out. So that's pretty cool. Has a trigger stop. So you can't just pull it. Has a low and a high. It's supposed to have 3 nozzles with it. Oh, maybe that's what's missing. Oh, maybe not. See? Yeah, the 3 nozzles right there. Sweet. Alright, so it comes with a turbo nozzle on that, so yeah, when I turn it on and start using it, I'll pick the video back up. First impressions of the Dcpw550. I like it. It's not terrible. It's pretty neat. I didn't use 15 degree, I used 25, the turbo, and now it's not dry. You can see, obviously didn't get everything off, but it was pretty dirty before. So it is definitely a lot cleaner. Had I put some soap on it, it probably would have cleaned it way more. But I was just doing a little quick test. It drained the 6 amp hour battery to, I want to say, like a little less than 50%. And I maybe was washing for about 10-20 minutes. You can see though, on the glass, it's like fucking clean the glass real nice. Some areas cleaned it really good, but more towards like the plasticky parts, because this is all plastic. It didn't do too good on the plastic, but on the metal, you could see, did all right. I mean, it's not perfect, like I said, but I didn't apply any soap or anything. But yeah, it's pretty easy to attach. I will say though, like the comments and reviews talk about this, the first time I even put it on, it popped off immediately. You got to really make sure this is seated on there, and you got to make sure this is tight and the threads of your actual hose are clean, or else it's gonna spray water everywhere. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty cool. Came with a spray nozzle for soap and these 4 attachments. So turbo, 1525, no, this 1540 turbo, and then the 25 is on here, and then the soap dispenser. Let's see, I let the battery cool. Where's it at? I mean, it was 1 bar blinking before, so maybe it didn't use that much battery. Probably could keep going, but when the battery was hot, it was showing 1. Here's your to just throw into a bucket if you want to, for water, you know. And here is the soap dispenser. So I'll try that out next time, the soap dispenser. See how that works. Didn't use it. Everyone kind of says it's kind of junky, but I'll be the judge of that. So anyway, yeah, really quick too, let's take a look at the vacuum. So I didn't really show that. I did show it when I got it, but grab this really quick. Don't mind my trunk, all my fucking clothes and whatnot in there. So I'm gonna take this vacuum out really quick. So let me open the pouch. How can I do this? Just like this really quick. All right, let me open the pouch. So, let's see. Oh, so I mean, look, you see how well it traps everything. This is a vacuum apart. Have the 5 amp hour oil stack on it. Let's see. So that used 1 bar. Not horrible. Let's see. Let's pull out our filter. So as you can see, it grabbed the hair tie. It did grab a lot of junk. You can see this filter got filthy. Wow. I mean, I don't know. I think it worked good for what I want it for, to just clean my car. It's not bad. And you can see it even grabbed hair. It's pretty neat. You can wash this. This filter's washable, so I'm not gonna wash it this time, but after a few more uses, I'll definitely wash it. I'm gonna clean it out off camera because kind of pain in the ass to do that one hand. But yeah, I like it. Pretty neat.